Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to be doing is a quick video on mirror folding on BMW F series. Particularly what I have today with me is an X5. This will also hold true for X3, X5, X6, your 3 series, your 4 series, your 5 series. By default, the way the BMW comes is you can lock it, but they don't lock it. You can fold the mirrors by touching the button on the driver's side. What happens is, in order for this to work, the power folding with the lock, you have to have power folding mirrors. If you don't have power folding mirrors, it will not be able to use it with a key fob. You would have to do it by hand manually. So what we're going to do is I'm going to load up the bimmercode app, use a V-Gate iCar adapter with the Wi-Fi enabled. Go into, I believe it's a body domain controller, the BDC, and change 4 different settings and set them to active. One of them is a key fob, one is a convenient opening, and one is to unlock with a key fob and unlock with a convenient opening. Once we do that, you will be able to power fold your mirrors when you lock and unfold them when you unlock it. So stay tuned. Let me get the camera set up and the device set up, and we'll go from there. Hey guys. So we're picking up where I left off. I had some technical difficulties, so redoing this video. I apologize for the darkness because it's nighttime. So I'm loading up the bimmercode app on my phone right now, and I'll put it on the screen next to me so you guys can see what I'm talking about. We are going to be continuing coding the power folding mirrors, keeping in mind that for power folding mirrors to work, you have to have power folding mirrors in the car first. If you have the manual ones, the coding will not work and it will not do anything. So once this loads up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how it's done. Right now, if I lock with my key fob or the handle, convenient opening, comfort opening, the mirrors don't fold or don't unfold. So what we're going to do is I have the bimmercode loaded. Let me actually screen record this. I thought I was doing it, but I wasn't. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to go in, I believe it's body domain controller. Yeah. And I apologize, this does take a little long. While that's loading, please comment below if you are using the V-Gate iCar, the Wi-Fi adapter. I'm seem to have some problem with it. What I'm noticing, it works. I can code the car no problem, but every time I have to connect, what I've been doing is actually going into my Wi-Fi setting and deleting my current the daily use Wi-Fi, basically my home network. Once I do that, I also have to forget my V-Link, which is the iCar, the V-Gate, and then restart my phone and then reconnect, and then pretty much reconfigure the Wi-Fi off the V-Gate, and then it works. Otherwise, I get this OBD Wi-Fi error that the device is not compatible, it's not reading, blah blah blah. So if you guys see that problem, please let me know. I appreciate it. Maybe it's time for me to upgrade to one of the Bluetooth ones, and if I do end up doing that, I will put a video out so you guys can see as well. So far it's reading about 68%. We'll give it some time and then go from there. I did make a video, had some difficulties with voice not coming out clear, so I ended up deleting it, so I'm going to redo it, and I'll show you guys the 4 different settings that you actually have to code within the BDC to get the power folding mirrors to work. And here, I know a few of you guys have asked about this, and then we'll do another video with the coding that I have. And also for this one, you don't have to be in expert mode. You can just do it right off of the regular mode, the easy coding. So scroll down. We're gonna go to, let's see, daylight running times, doors, windows, driving mode, headlight, cleaning, lighting. Okay, so underneath lighting that you guys saw earlier, there's mirrors. So there's 4 settings that you can read from. There's fold, unfold, mirrors automatically. Mine right now is set to unassigned. And then there is unfold mirrors with convenient opening, fold mirrors with convenient closing, and then further below there's unfold mirrors with convenient opening. All of those are set to either unassigned or not active. So what you want to do is the very first one, the fold unfold mirrors, automatically, you want to set that to active, and it does make the other ones active for you. If it doesn't, then you have to do it manually. So let's go and try that. I'm going to set it to active. I'm going to code that. Let's see. Yep, so the unfold mirrors with convenient opening, it's set to active. Fold mirrors with convenient closing, it's set to active. And then unfold mirrors with convenient opening is also set to active. So those all get set automatically to active. All you have to do is up top hit code. It's going to start coding. It might take about 30 seconds, 40 seconds. You'll get some warnings on your dash as usual. Something to do with your brakes, ABS, and so forth. Don't panic. Let it finish coding. If it still remains, just turn your car off, turn it back on. Everything is good. My car actually got turned off, so that's okay. It's resetting my ECU. I don't have to clear any codes. What I'm gonna do is let me stop this. And then let me stop the recording and go outside, lock my car with my key, and I'll show you guys. Sorry about the lighting. I'll show you guys if that mirror folding is working or not working, and you guys can see. So let me turn this off. So basically, car's off. All I'm going to do is I'm going to lock it. As you can see, mirrors are not folded at the moment. So let me walk away a little bit so you guys can see. So let's lock it. And the mirrors have actually folded, and it worked. And if I unlock it, they do unfold as well. And then let's try closing it with a convenient closing. And same thing, if I actually hold my hand in here, you see those work. So either way that works. Anyways, thank you guys. So this was a quick video to show you how the power folding mirrors work with the bimmercode app, and in the X5 this can still hold true for other BMWs and F series. Stay tuned. Please like, share, comment below if you have any other videos you guys want to see, and thank you.